Hello and welcome to another episode of Travelchef, and today we are going to make a chutney with cashew nut, and this is called a cashew chutney. This is kind of very easy recipe to make, so come on along with us and we'll show you how to do it. To make a cashew chutney, we have taken 100 grams of cashew, and that is with skin. We have taken cashew nut with skin. We can remove the skin by heating the cashew nuts and rubbing it with our bare hands. The skin then peels away. If you are unable to get cashews with skin, you can get the normal cashews without the skin. We take 10 to 15 bird eye chili, or it's also called as Thai pepper. In Kerala, it is called kanthari mulagu. This is one of the spiciest chilies that is found here. We take a small piece of tamarind. The size of the tamarind needs to be small, and it should be smaller than a lemon. Next is 4 to 5 fresh curry leaves, 1 handful of small onions. The final ingredient is 1 teaspoon of salt. These are the ingredients required to make the cashew chutney. These chilies that we have taken is the most spiciest chilies in Kerala, and this is found mostly in this region. Also, this is called as kanthari mulagu or chunni mulagu. These chilies give an extra taste to a cashew chutney. Now we are going to transfer all these ingredients into a mixer bowl, and we are going to blend all these ingredients. We had to take some care in transferring all the ingredients into the mixer bowl because it's from a banana leaf and there's every chances of all these ingredients falling out of it. We're going to crush these ingredients in a mixer bowl, and as of now we are not adding water, but a little water will be added in a later stage. The ingredients are crushed thoroughly. Next we are going to add a little water. This water is so little that it should become a paste only, and once again we are going to blend it. Next we cover our mixie bowl. Once we blend, it shouldn't be made into a fine paste, but there should be some elements of cashew nut that is crunchy, and this gives an extra taste to our cashew chutney. Now our mixture is ground, and to add a little more sour taste, we have added extra tamarind. Also, we have added 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. This will give an extra taste to our cashew chutney. Now we close the mixie bowl and we blend the ingredients once again. Now our cashew chutney is ready to be served. This cashew chutney can be had with rice, with chapatis, with pita bread. There's a lot of combinations. So we encourage you to try this recipe at home and let us know how's it come out in the comment section below. We hope you liked watching our video, and we request you to like, share and comment on our channel. If you like this recipe of making cashew chutney pretty easy, please share it with your friends so they too can try this recipe at home. If you like our videos, please don't forget to comment on our videos. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Well, until the next video, take care, stay safe and see you soon. Bye bye.